Hello, cruisers, and welcome to Prescribed Adventures. Today we just got off Utopia the Seas and we are at Perfect Day at CocoCay. And we are heading over to the Coco Beach Club. And we are going to show you everything that's included with your Coco Beach Club Day Pass. So as we head on over to the trams, I'll show you this small water park area that is free for the kids to play in. And you can see the Thrill Water Park behind there. Here's the entrance. And that does carry an extra fee, sometimes a hefty fee, sometimes not. And here we are about to get on the tram, and we will see you over at the beach club.
Thank you.
Thank you. So right here, if you've rented a cabana on the beach or an over-the-water cabana, that's where you would check in. So let's head over to the bar and get our welcome drink.
Hi, how are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome drinks.
Absolutely.
All right, these are called the tropical spritz. Okay. All right, this is called the tropical spritz. It's made with tropical fruits, coconut water, party light, and a topping of club soda. Sweet but refreshing.
Alcohol version.
All right.
No alcohol. Any allergies to any fruits?
Nope.
Nope.
You're all set.
All right,
Thank
excellent.
you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Morning.
How are you?
Doing great. Welcome to Coco Beach Club. What's
Thank
your
you.
meal cruising on?
Utopia.
Thank you.
We can always make it simple, big or small.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Very
Give me the
big, very
number,
small.
please.
6680.
Natasha and Christopher,
Yes.
right? Guys, we open 11 o'clock. What time are you looking for?
11
Want
o'clock.
something- 11?
Starving already.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I hope you can manage till 11.
We're going to try.
No problem. So come back at 11 o'clock.
All right.
Get
Okay.
some Danish. We have coffee, tea, and Danish.
Oh, you do?
Come on,
Oh,
show you.
okay.
It will be very helpful.
I was going to ask, are there any snacks?
Right here. Where the guys want the shirts, we have coffee station.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Ooh,
How are you?
morning.
Morning. I'll take this.
What is it?
I'll do a, what is that, like a raspberry Danish?
Yes,
Yeah.
we have.
Okay.
2 warm for coffee.
What about cucumber water?
Cucumber water, I can definitely do.
Cucumber water.
Yes.
Yes, 2, please.
Thank you.
2. For you, ma'am, 2.
Yes, thank you.
I can bring a
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Up. And as you can see, there are plenty of seating. Recliners with plenty of umbrellas. And this is one of the cabanas. This is the on the beach cabana. So you're gonna get your own front seating. You get your own table. And as we step inside, this right here is a little table, but it's also a cooler. There's water inside. I don't want to open it because it's not my cabana. But as you can see, you got covered seating. There is a ceiling fan here. And you have a bar, mini bar stocked. If you have the drink package, all of that will be included. And you got your snorkel gear. And the cabanas also come with their own floaty mats. These do not have a bathroom. Right here, you'll have your safe. Excuse me. It's hot. My throat is a little dry. And you got your own private hammock. So these are the beach cabanas for the Coco Beach Club. And we're going to continue on. These are also the private use cabanas. Anybody can come over here and lay in these. And here we have the over the water cabanas. And as with all the cabanas on CocoCay, comes with attendant service. You'll see the guys here riding around on a bike delivering, because they're not walking all of this. But you have a set here of over the water cabanas. And as you can see, the beach club just has perfect sand, perfect water. So blue, you do have to be careful, as there is marine life. We are in the ocean. And so there will be stingrays, nurse sharks, every once in a while some jellyfish. Give you another angle of all of the seating and umbrellas.
How did that play about? You didn't sign it down.
You have my
Maybe.
card.
No, you just gave me your
Okay.
You all good, bro? I'm ready for a new bag. 2 days not good.
That's the pool over there. We'll get another closer look as we circle around.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
And then here you have your other set of over the water cabanas. See in the distance there, you got the lifeguard on the jet ski. Plenty of seagulls. So make sure you do not leave your food out unattended or they will take it quickly. We learned that first time we were here the hard way. So you can see in the distance there, the guy on the bike. And over here, you got more of the beachside cabanas. Over here you got some more life vests. If you're in need of a stroller or a wheelchair, they have the beach capable. And over here you get some more towels. How you doing? And again, if you want to get out here nice and early, as soon as they open the gangway, you can come out and get these day beds that are right on the pool. And we're gonna cut in. And as I said, lunch is included. And here is the dining area for the lunchtime. And we'll be eating at 11. So don't forget to like, subscribe if you're enjoying this video. And we'll be back in a second when we're having lunch.
Remind me the room number, please.
6680.
Your lunch, please.
Thank you. And as always, don't forget, you need to washy before you yummy. Thank you.
Menu card for you.
Thank you.
So this is the menu card for you.
Feel free to pause the video here so you can get a little longer look at the menu. And just like the rest of CocoCay, there's always some friends around looking for a little bite to eat.
Did you get them?
I know what that means. Good day, welcome.
Thank you.
How are we doing today?
Excellent. Excellent. How are you?
Fantastic. My name is Richard. I will be taking care of you folks for your lunch today.
Excellent. Thank you.
You've been with us before?
We did the over-the-water cabana, so
All right.
we haven't actually
So
eaten
let me
in
just
here.
explain to you. So for starters, we bring up all the starters to get to try a little bit of everything.
Okay.
But before we do that, any food allergies like for you?
None.
No? So we bring up all the starters, you can try everything, and then the main course is not a head, but we can also do a surf and turf. It's a combination of lobster and okay. Anything to drink besides water?
Right now I'm good.
You're good for now?
Good for now. Yes.
Let me know.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pleasure. So give you some time, I'll be back.
So we started off with some starters, which you would do when you're starting, such as the shrimp cocktail, the ceviche, some hummus, and some baba ganoush. And you can see we have some more little friends walking around. This one even smaller, little baby, Chicky. And then Natasha ordered the grilled Bohemian lobster. And I ordered the surf and turf. And so this little guy got very daring. And when I say wait for it, because it was shocking.
It's like, how did I get down?
Oh!
Oh, okay. Excuse me. Sir. Ma'am.
And for dessert, we both got the Bohemian rum soaked cake, and it was delicious. And as we finished up, the whole family came out to wish us farewell.
I was wondering where the big one was.
That concludes our day at the Coco Beach Club at Perfect Day at CocoCay. And just to recap, everything that's included in your CocoCay Beach Pass, you get the welcome juice, you get the light breakfast of pastries, coffee, and cucumber water. At the beach club, you get a higher quality of pool towels. And you get access to the exclusive beach, the infinity pool, the chairs, and the umbrellas in the area, and they also give you the floating mats. And as we head back to Utopia of the Seas, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. Hope you subscribe, and we will check you out in the next video. And if you want to see more about Utopia of the Seas, check out the playlist right here. Thanks. Bye.